just ordinary water. Remember I told you, if I come back and meet you here, I'll pour you water. But now, next time I go inside and come back, let me finish talking. I will pour you pepper water. Now get her from here.
Lady, please let me explain.
Explain
I
what?
have not come here to do any harm. Is this not number 2?
So?
This is the address my son gave me.
Which son?
This is the house he described to me. That is why I'm waiting for him.
Okay. What did you say? When you told me this thing, what did I tell you? I told you that somebody like you does not stay in this compound. What is it? If I go inside and come outside, then I still meet you here. It is hot water. Let me finish talking.
Easy.
Hot water mixed with pepper. I'll pour on you.
Take it easy.
You dirty old man.
Why are you doing like this? This kind man, this kind of woman. Hey, for God's sake. All these women, I wonder, this kind of being like this. See me, see my body. All because my phone is there, I cannot call my son. Hey, Lord my God. What's the meaning of this?
Sit by myself, talking to them.
Hey, thank God. Hey, I've been waiting for you now. This is the house you described to me. So my phone is dead, so I couldn't call you. But surprisingly, there is one lady here. I wonder whoever married that lady.
No, why you wet?
She threw water on me that I should leave this place. That he just, well, I don't know. In fact, I'm sorry for the man who marries that lady. He said I should leave this area.
Inside this house, someone pour water on you.
I'm sorry for that lady. No, I'm sorry for that lady.
Come. Hi, babe. What is that, babe?
So this dirty man is still here.
Why are you calling a dirty man? You are calling my own father a dirty man. And you even pouring him water.
Hello? Who is this person? Who is this woman?
What? She's my wife to be.
Your wife to be?
Yeah.
I think I'm going now.
No, Daddy, you are going nowhere.
No. This is the woman you want to marry. I'm sorry for you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for you. This woman, I tried my best to even explain why I'm here. I tried my best, but she was threatening. In fact, she promised to go and bring pepper and hot water.
I didn't mean it that way.
That was when she entered.
The thing now is, even if you don't know him to be my father, were you supposed to bring water and pour on him? And I've warned you about this, your habits. Always getting angered over little things, getting angry over prevalent things, small things like this.
I didn't really mean it like
Wale,
that. I'm so sorry.
If this is the person you want to marry,
hey,
you are on your own.
Hey,
You see?
You are on your own.
You see?
You see? This one,
You see?
you are on your own.
Okay.
If that's the person you want to marry. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry. Don't beg me. Don't beg me at all. You can't beg me now.
So,
because I tried.
Daddy, it's okay. Daddy, I understand now. You see, the thing now is, this is the person that I'm supposed to bring to your house and beg for your hand in marriage. And now he's saying he's no longer interested. So no, don't stress yourself. You don't even have to stress yourself, because I've been warning you about this attitude of yours. So now it is very simple. Just go inside, and the one that is big and the one that is small, pack it and leave. I'm no longer interested in this relationship. Hold my family. I said go and get your bags and leave here.
this is the last chance, Daddy, please. I'm so sorry.
There is no last chance, madam. Just go inside.
All my bags.
Everything. Don't worry. Everything.
Last chance.
No chance. No last chance. Take your
Wale, where did you run into this one?
Daddy, it's okay. I'm happy. Let's just go inside. I am
See my
sorry.
bag now.
I'm sorry. We will get you a new clothes and everything will be fine. Sorry, sir. I'm very, very sorry, sir. I'm very, very sorry, sir. I'm very, very sorry, sir. Sorry, Daddy. I'm happy. Why would she do such?